Welcome, I'm Jackie Murphy. I'm the CEO of TGP Cymru, and here are some young people to tell you all about our annual report.
TGP is a children's charity based in Wales, and last year we worked with 3,413 children and young people, and 440 families. We helped with 56 community issues and trained 335 professionals on advocacy rights and safeguarding.
TGP has 9 offices across Wales and 78 workers and volunteers. All of our services are delivered bilingually in Welsh and English. Last year, we also provided services in 20 other languages.
We delivered 934 active offers of advocacy and supported 1,196 children and young people with issues about their care. We also helped 162 children and young people with issues about their medical treatment. Our Young People's Advisory Group made a video and website which demonstrates how to get an advocate. They also made a Snapchat filter as a fun and interactive way of promoting the service.
Our local junior safeguarding board, the Safe Stars, are part of the Mid and West Wales regional group called CADU. Last year we met regularly and engaged with over 30 children and young people, advising others how to keep safe online and in their communities.
TGP matched 8 care experienced children with independent visitors. These are individuals that offer support and friendship when they feel alone and have no family to turn to. We also helped 10 children and young people to make a communication passport, which helps tell new people what they like and what they need. 63 children and young people were supported in updating their previous passports.
We delivered a residential visiting advocacy service to over 30 children's homes and carried out further research into this. Our Gypsy Roma and Traveller service, Travelling Ahead, received 157 referrals and helped with 56 community issues. We engaged with over 34 children, young people and adults through the regional youth forums, the North Wales Youth Group and the Roma Choir. In addition, we supported a young person from this community to become a member of the Welsh Youth Parliament. Our information and advice service for EU Roma families living in Wales worked with 410 individuals and families. Meanwhile, the Asylum Rights Programme advocated 82 young people and supported a further 62. A young person from this programme also became a member of the Welsh Youth Parliament.
Our Restorative Engagement Veteran Service worked intensely with 15 families, whilst our Family Group Meeting Service worked with 15 families in Bridgend County Borough. Towards the end of the year, our newest service, the Team Around the Tenancy, worked with 59 young people who are care experienced and at risk of becoming homeless. They also delivered 246 one-to-one sessions.
In February 2020 we held an event in the Senedd. This was hosted by David Melding AM and attended by Julie Morgan, the Deputy Minister for Social Services and Health, Sally Holland, the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and over 200 delegates.
We want to say a big thank you to all the staff, volunteers, children, young people and families. None of this could have happened without our dedicated group of trustees. And finally, when COVID-19 struck, we adapted our services quickly. We started working from home, ensuring that young people's voices were still heard.
Thank you for watching and stay safe.